Okay, everybody, what's going on, guys? In this video, this second SPLAH.com video, we're going to talk about the Supreme Team Build bridge page that I'm creating for every single person that's coming onto my second SPLAH.com team, guys. And I'm really excited about it. And I really want you guys to pay special attention to what I'm talking about in this video, because what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set this team build replicated website up for you guys absolutely free when you join secondsplash.com. But first, we're going to jump back over to another short demo, and then we'll talk about the Supreme Team Build replicated website that you guys can grab right now today when you join secondsplash.com, right, guys? So I pulled up my emails, and so within I would say, guys, it hadn't been 24 hours yet inside of secondsplash.com. The official launch was actually yesterday. I thought it was on the 11th. But either way, guys, I've already qualified. I've got my first 2 qualifying referrals. And now, guys, I'm already up to my very first paid referral, the direct referral coming into the system. And so I got an email from Bruce today. I'm going to pull that email up. And I'm going to pull the email that I shot out to you guys today in the email for all you guys who are on my list. But first, we're going to run through a quick little demo, guys. And I pulled them up. And I think I got it up here if I can see. I'm trying to get my focus together. I had a demo that I wanted to run through with you guys really quick, because I want you guys to see this is after I've gotten inside the members area. Now, I've been inside the members area playing around. And I've actually set up an actual page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into another browser in my Gmail. I'm going to pull up that demo because I want you guys to see this and what can happen in addition to this Team Supreme web page we're building, guys. We really can rock this out and grow this really fast. Again, hasn't been, I don't think it's been just a little shy of 17 hours maybe, and I'm already ready to go, guys. And you guys can do the exact same thing. And I implore you guys to get in on this and come into the there it goes right there. The Supreme Team, this bridge page I'm going to actually share with you guys in just a few seconds. Okay, so that demo, guys, is right here. Let me see, can I back up one? Can I get back to my regular emails? Because I want to show you guys something. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into what happens when you start, after you built your splash pages out, and you start sending that link out through traffic exchanges and safe lists and 1,000 other places. I'm going to show you guys where to blast it, right? Then your potential prospects will be clicking on your links. And when they do, guys, this is exactly what is going to happen as they come through. This is the experience that they're going to get, the experience in real time as they're coming through your pages, right? These are just the pages that you're setting up with your splash builder. Now, if you can see, you'll see there's 2 different splash pages here, guys, and we're double dipping. And in Supreme Team, this bridge page, we're going to be triple dipping. We're going to be doing it, right? So over here is where I created my very first splash page, right? The very first splash page that I created inside of secondsplash.com. So when we start popping and firing up the traffic and sending it into either the pages that we're creating with our splash pages, we know that we can redirect to either lead capture page, or we can simply redirect to a landing page, guys. It's really up to you. I would actually double dip. I would do both. Anyway, when I click my splash page, guys, it takes us over to a phenomenal little system that I'm marketing and promoting. You guys are going to learn a lot more about. And that's a splash page. That's a splash page example of where you guys can redirect your actual bridge, your splash pages. You guys want to see it again, I'll click it. It'll take us back through that process. This is what will happen for your potential prospects. And of course, they will click either of the splash pages. Doesn't matter. The people that you're bringing in are promoting your splash pages as well. When people click, again, it takes them over to wherever it is you choose to redirect to. This could very well be a capture page as well, right? So today, guys, I know I was on my computer. I was doing something. And I got the first email from Bruce. And I think it was 2 hours later, guys, I got the second email from him. And so what I did was I actually set up an email, and I sent that email to you guys, right, in your email inbox. And for you guys on YouTube, feel free to fall in and get in where you fit in. But what I want you to see is what happened when I did that, guys. Okay, so let me go to send again. I sent that email. I'm trying to figure, oh, there it goes right there, guys. This is what happened, right? Let's go back. This is what happened in less than 12 hours, actually, right here, of me firing up the actual funnel, right? So I sent the email out, and I'm on YouTube now, guys, and I'm talking to you guys about what happened. This is less than 12 hours after the official launch of secondsplash.com. So I get my very first email from Bruce. and he's saying you made your first qualifier referral, right? And so that was at 11:12 a.m. this morning. Then at 2:16 p.m., guys, no, actually, I'm on the wrong one. I actually got this is the second one. The first one came in at 9 o'clock. I don't have it in the link. By the third email I got today for secondsplash.com from Bruce, it had the commission that I actually earned, because that's just how fast we're pushing through. Right, we're pushing through. Do you guys understand that incredible reverse 2-up system that he got inside here? So again, I've already qualified, right? Already got those out of the way. You guys will be amazed at how fast it can happen. And so my third referral actually will pay me my first commission, guys. I'm not really concerned about the commission so much right now as I am getting this all set up so we can rock and roll. But this is what happens. I told you guys, this is what happens when we start to do that, guys. So let's jump back over to the Supreme Team, right, bridge page. This is in addition to what you're already going to get inside of secondsplash.com, guys. It's phenomenal. And let me show you what I'm going to do for you guys. Now, why is it I'm able to do that kind of thing with almost anything I want to do, just in terms of just getting signups, getting sales, because I know how to get massive traffic, right? And it's the traffic that I'm using inside of my affiliate traffic brokers. And when you come down here and you join today, guys, I'm going to actually give you the affiliate traffic brokers membership absolutely free. What does that mean? That means that when you join secondsplash.com by clicking the link in this button, and it could be mine or it could be one of our team members, guys, we will know, you will let me know, and you will send me an email following the instructions below, and I'm going to send you a page just like this, coded and loaded with your secondsplash.com affiliate link and your email address, so that if your potential prospects want to get in touch with you for any reason, they can, guys. We're streamlining. So you're going to pick up the affiliate traffic brokers membership. That's just even more traffic and lead generating resources that you guys are going to get instant access to. Now, when you're inside of your affiliate traffic brokers, guys, you're going to find that there's an actual reseller membership that I have for that. And then you guys will get to read over and understand it, but understand that you have all the resources inside of the membership. If you should choose to become a reseller over at affiliatetrafficbrokers.com, guys, then you'll earn $25 payments, right? Reselling that package that sells, right, for $25 over and over and over again. What have I done on the page? Guys, by the time you get this page, it's going to have all kinds of list building, lead generating resources in here. Click them, guys. Take your affiliate links for the secondsplash.com and start using this traffic to fire up your system. Now, I'm throwing this in here, guys. It's going to be done by this weekend, but I'm going to have some banners on the site already for you guys. Why? Because I'm going to unlock my big banner ads marketing strategy. So you're going to get that training. We're going to show you guys where to go place these types of banners. And right now, they're all the same. They'll be different as I'm putting them in. But we talk about a media buy, where you guys can literally get traffic for pennies on a dollar with banner advertising, and you guys will be able to click here, and I'll take you guys to that training. You better get that. So what do you have to do next, guys? You have to get serious, right? You have to get hot, and you got to follow the instructions below, right? If you like a replicated web page just like that, coded with your secondsplash.com affiliate link, guys, all you have to do is join. That's all you have to do, right? It's free to join, right? Wow. When you do that, guys, I need you to follow instructions below. Send me your secondsplash.com affiliate link. Send me your full name and a good email address, guys. Preferably email, Gmail, and I'll have this bad boy ready for you guys, up and ready to fill in less than 48 hours. Okay. Hey, thanks so much, guys. I'm really super pumped and super excited. I'll see you guys on the inside.